what you gotta do is get you some frozen chicken. I don't care how you do it. You can buy it, you can catch it, you can run it down with a stick. But you gotta get some frozen chicken. You know, I'll be damned if I have chicken and I don't have potatoes. Those potatoes, you gotta slice them. The next thing you gotta do is put the potatoes in with the chicken. But don't forget, you gotta treat the chicken with some respect. Then I like to add some spices. You got some parsley, red pepper, and garlic. And I'll be damned if I don't add Italian dressing. Then you put the lid on it and you forget about it. And while we're waiting, happy 4th of July.